Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ameya Bhagwat. I am the VP Global Sales and Business Development at TechFi. TechFi is an international technology company based in Switzerland and dedicated to the design, development, and distribution of biometrics-driven identity management solutions. TechFi was founded by veterans in the biometrics industry with a combined 120 plus years of experience who have played major roles in some of the world's largest biometric implementation programs, including the prestigious India Aadhaar project and the Indonesia National ID. In TechFi, we believe that every individual should have access and full control of their personal data. That is why we are keen to create technologies that are secure, private, and inclusive. Today, I am delighted to introduce TFi ID and Code, our innovative platform that lets you securely store your personal data and verify your identity in a completely offline manner in a variety of banking and fintech use cases, improving the overall customer experience and making financial transactions safe for both the user and the organization. Please look at our short demo explaining step by step how any customer can create his or her mobile ID using TFi solution in the comfort of their homes and within seconds. Thank you. The customer is passing a digital onboarding by applying personal data and biometric information using the TFi ID and Code based official app of a bank or a fintech organization. To enroll the data, a person will need to add information and capture the biometrics, face and fingerprints using just a mobile phone and the app. The process is easy for the user, and at the same time, the customer and the bank can be absolutely sure that the enrolled data is correct. For our solution, we use TFi liveness detection and verification technologies to make sure that the face and fingerprints of the applicant are real and belong to the customer. Optionally, deduplication process can run at the backend to make sure the same person was not enrolled before with different data. The customer can also create a digital copy of his or her bank card just by scanning it with the same app. This data can be used separately or added to the mobile ID of the person. The mobile ID arrives to the customer's email or mobile app and can be decoded only by the authorized apps and when the owner of the ID approves it. The proposed TechFi solution gives the customer full control on his data and provides the freedom for secure and fast identity verification during online and offline transactions. In the case of offline transaction, the seller representative using an authorized app scans the digital container where the customer's mobile ID is stored in an encrypted manner. After visual inspection, comparing the photos stored in the mobile ID and a face of the customer, the seller can verify the person by face or fingerprints and process the transaction. The entire verification process can be done in completely offline manner that gives the customer a possibility to prove his identity within seconds for secure authentication for offline payments. In the digital era, when a big number of transactions are being processed online, it is extremely important to protect personal information and add additional layers of security to the online payment solutions to prevent fraud. For any online transaction, the TFi mobile ID can be used as an authentication token, and a customer's face will be presented instead of an OTP. It allows customers to securely pay for any goods or services from the home without limiting them on the amounts. 7 minutes that I have for this demo will not allow me to talk about all possible banking and fintech use cases for TFi mobile ID. Imagine any transaction. Whenever the customers are selling or buying anything and need to prove their identity, they can always have their mobile ID in their pocket in an electronic or printed format. Whenever they want to access their bank account or withdraw cash from an ATM, or even make sure that they are buying a property from its owner and the documents in front of them are original. The TFI ID and Code is a unique technology platform fully developed by TechFi and ready for implementation, which is highly scalable and extremely stable. We provide the technology components of the platform to our partners and customers, as well as support them with our expertise during implementation. Today, the platform is successfully tested by a variety of our partners around the world. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I'm glad to respond to any of your questions. Thank you once again.